out of the F100 build here. Nearly got everything all wrapped up. Basically, the only thing left to do is put the final engine covers in and put the red seat in. Finished putting the, also got some covers inside the tub here. They're just still an inner tub cover. They don't serve any functional purpose other than purely decorative. That's about all they're useful for, I suppose, but they look great. I got Clint at SRM to make these up. Clint does a fantastic job of anything that he pretty much touches, so that was handy. Let's have on the other side over here. I've actually got them installed at the moment. They look like they're permanently installed, but they're actually held in by a high strength double-sided adhesive tape, so they can be pulled out if need be. Ford Performance sticker on the back here. Got a little vinyl cutter, so I just made that up myself. Inside the tailgate here, this is the Marquee internal handle relocator kit. Really easy to install. You just cut a hole there and it uses the same style rods to go into the latches on the sides, and basically that cleans up the tailgate here. So that's where the original handle was, just in there, so I've welded a plate in there, and just gives the rear end a completely, I reckon it just cleans it right up. Also got the battery shifted from the engine bay underneath the tub here, so it made this centre board here, the floor on the tub, so it slides backwards. You can just access the battery pretty easy. Just need to tidy up the wiring in here a little bit. Got the negative just earthed down onto the chassis, the positive all the way back to the starter motor. Got the exhaust dumper in there, that's all sorted. Yeah, so pretty happy with all that, that works well. The tub floor, I've put a false floor in here and got the Raptor liner on there, just try and zoom in on the texture. It's a really nice texture and it's super durable, this stuff. Can't recommend it highly enough. You can actually throw stuff in the back of here if you wanted to, and yeah, you can use it without risking, you know, scratching something. And interior wise, got all that finished up. The only thing is the red seat's going to replace this black one. Nothing wrong with the black one at all. It's a awesome design. It just, I prefer the red seat in here to tie it all in. Done the hood liner, made that up myself. That was a fun job putting that in, but it all seemed to work out alright. Got the Billet Specialties horn cover on the steering wheel, rail shifter cover on the knob there. And the coolest part is the Dakota digital dash. Yeah, this thing's awesome, love it. Seems to work really well. Got it all calibrated nicely with the fuel and the speed sensors and all that. Okay, in the engine bay here, kept things pretty simple. I've got some temporary engine covers, or not engine covers, engine bay covers made up. Just made them up myself while Clint makes up the ones that are going to go in here permanently. The ones Clint is making up, they're going to feature some bead rolling. They just look a lot nicer than these ones that I've done. Yeah, but it's a 351 Cleveland with a mild cam C6 automatic. Nice strong motor, goes well. It's got the Datsun power steering box. Yeah, it's nothing over the top, just a nice tidy setup. Yeah, and I've got the fuel filler in the centre here. This seems to work pretty good. You've got to put the nozzle in on the right angle. Just simply undoes there, put the nozzle in on that angle going in there and you're fine. Works pretty good. Just probably the easiest way to hide the fuel filler, I'd say. On the front here, got the 69 grille, got that from LMC Truck in the United States. I'm pretty sure that's a really good addition. I think it's nice and straight. It looks tidy, just brings the appearance of the whole vehicle up, I think. And along with that, I've got the 67 F100 foot emblems, and these have been out of stock for quite a while, so they're a really nice addition too. As far as wheels and tyres go, I've got Street Pro rims all round, 15 by 12 on the rear, with a 5-inch offset. Mickey Thompson 29 by 15 rears. And on the front, I've got a 15 by 6 with a 205 70 on the front there. And I've mucked around with the tyre sizes quite a bit, particularly in the front, just to get the stance right. Just didn't want it sort of nose diving too much, but just want to have a very slight rake on it, which these tyres have given it. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Okay, we'll crank this thing up and see how it sounds. No dramas, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll have another final video when a few final little bits and pieces go on there, and I'll try and get some drone footage as well. No worries. Have a good weekend. See ya. Bye.